how to publish your report in Power BI desktop to Power BI service. First, you go to Home tab, click Publish, select a workspace, not just my workspace, but select the workspace, and then click Select. It will now publish to Power BI service. Click Open. It will now load all the Power BI reports. So you can share one particular report to the public by clicking on, for example, I want this report page. So I go to File, Embedded Report, choose Website or Portal, and then copy this link and then go to any website you want to share. For example, I share it on my LinkedIn, so it's right there. I have just select a start post and paste it here, and then I click post, which I already done. Let's just try that. Let's see if the thingy allow me to. Oh no, you see that? Oh, LinkedIn is very smart. It knows that it's a redundancy, right? So just discard. So which is here the same. So click on it. It will now have a one-page report with this. So it has the same ability to do a slicer. All the instructions are there. Maybe let's try that. I think not really. Okay, so I have some slicer right here. See? Yep, that's it. That's how you publish your Power BI report to the public by going to Power BI services, click on the report that you want, click File, Embed the report, Website or Portal. Okay, at the moment the Publish to Web feature seems doesn't work here, but you can always try. See that? There's an admin. So according to Microsoft, you can actually choose this item to setting admin portal to do a server configuration. But my version here, as an admin, I do not have that ability to change. But the step will be similar, which I have documented here. So you could start with here. There are some licensing problem. Yeah, there you are. So you see that the well, is this published as a Power BI admin. So if you are Power BI admin, you have that ability. So it gives you this functionality. Only Power BI admin can allow creating a new publish to web embedded code. Organization may have existing embedded code. See that. So you can find publish to web from here. This will just show you file embedded report publish to. the publish web setting is enabled. Each user can create embedded codes. So these are very good, see. So there are these options they can choose how embedded code work. Only allow existing code. Allow existing and new codes. Apply to the entire organization. Yeah, publish to web. Maybe you can set to enable or choose how to see that. Just I will show you this. This just doesn't work. Okay, specific security code. Good. So this specific. Alright, see, these are all other options you can use for. Oh, you can also change copy and paste visual. Or return and paste the static image into external application. You can also have that options. Export Excel, also you can set that options. So as you can see here, currently that all these you can copy, see? You can copy this. Say you want to copy this into a PowerPoint or any external application, you can do so. Okay, so let's try that. Let's see if I can just paste it here. There you are. So you can paste as an image. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Aisha. Together we excel.